Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x times x plus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 5 is equal to 24. Or rearranging left sides, we can write here x times x minus 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 5 is equal to 24. Or now multiplying first two term, we will get x square minus 3x times, now multiplying these two terms, we can write x times x is x square, x times negative 5 is negative 5x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 is equal to 24. Or x square minus 3x times x square minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 24. Now let x square minus 3x is equal to y. So we can write here y times y minus 10 is equal to 24. Or y times y is y square, y times negative 10 is negative 10y. Now taking this 24 to left side, we will get negative 24 is equal to 0. This is a nice quadratic equations. Now here we can use middle term breaking rule, so we can write here y square minus 12y plus 2y minus 24 is equal to 0. Or now taking count to y to first two term, we will get y minus 12, and taking count plus 2 to last two term, we will get y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now taking count y minus 12, we will get y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, so we can write here y minus 12 is equal to 0 or y plus 2 is equal to 0. But remember, let y is equal to x square minus 3x, so we can write here x square minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Or x square minus this 3x can be written as 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now taking count x, we will get x minus 2, and taking count negative 1, we will get x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now taking count x minus 2, we will get x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we can write here x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now taking this negative 2 to right side, we will get the value of x is equal to 2, and here we will get x is equal to 1. Okay. Now here we can use quadratic equations, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3 and c is equal to negative 12. Or x is equal to b is equal to negative 3, so we can write here negative times negative 3 plus or minus square root of b is equal to negative 3, so negative 3 square minus 4 times a is equal to 1 times c is equal to negative 12 over 2 times a is equal to 1. Or x is equal to negative times negative is positive, so here we will get 3 plus or minus square root of negative 3 square is 9, minus times minus is plus, 4 times 12 times 1 is 48 over 2 times 1 is 2. Or x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 48 is 57 over 2. So there are two values of x. X is equal to 3 plus square root of 57 over 2, and x is equal to 3 minus square root of 57 over 2. So there are totally four values of x. X is equal to 3 plus square root of 57 over 2. X is equal to 3 minus square root of 57 over 2. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.